YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create amazing images like this, like what you are seeing on your screen now. It is so easy to create. So you head towards your Google, click on your Google app browser in your phone, and you search for Beam Image Creator. This way, you click on it like this. So it will open this way. Before I continue, I have to remind you that you have to on your data and put everything on. So you click Beam Image Creator, it will come here. You see Image Creator, you click on it like this. It will come here because I have already signed up. That is why it has come directly like this. So if you are a new or this is your first time, you need to sign in with your Google account before they will give you access to Beam Image Creator. So as it has come here we are going to describe the type of image that we are going to create, the type of images that we like. So we are going to type it here. So I've already written my description or prompt. I've already written my prompt, so I'm going to paste my prompt here. This is my prompt. This is my prompt. So that is so great. Let's see how they prompt it. The prompt says, realistic 16-year-old cute styled attitude boy standing up, laying on a large black 3D Z. So you can change this Z to any image. Because my channel name is Ropinga, I'm going to use R. So you can change it to R like this. You can change it to any letter of your choice. So R. Name, letter, side and face down. Boy wearing black full t-shirt and black jeans, black shoes, watch styled hair, and the background black wall to ensure that the name is not misspelled. So that is how it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And now you click create. So you wait for some second. It is generating. The AI is generating the images. So anytime that you sign up, every day they give you 15 points. So as you use, the points will keep on reducing. So these are the images the AI has generated for us. That is so great. So you look here, you see download, you click on download like this. It is downloading. So you swipe to your left, you see B. So it is downloading. You look around, anything that you feel like you download. Yes. So in case you don't understand anything, I will put in this prompt at the video description for you to download. So let's use a girl. We are going to put a girl here. We are going to use a girl prompt. This one is a boy prompt. So let's use a girl prompt here. A girl prompt, that is how it is, and you click create. So I'll be putting this prompt at the video description for you to have access to this website that we are using. We are using Beam Image Creator. So thank you for watching Ropinga YouTube channel. Please don't forget to share this video for other people to also have access to it, or for other people to have learn something about what we are doing. That is how it is. That was great. So we are going to end it for joining Ropinga YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.